Hi.
Please, come in.
Take off your shoes. So guys, today we will be filming a first apartment tour. We've been living here for a year and a half now.
Year and 8 months.
And we never got around to doing an actual house tour. So we decided what a better time than while in quarantine, because we got nowhere else to go. So we're gonna do a house tour or apartment tour. So right as you walk in from the door, we have our living room, as you see here. So there's nothing really like crazy going on. We do have a big sectional here, as you can see.
Which is comfy as hell.
Which is comfy as hell. I don't know if you can notice, but normally this is my little corner here, and this is where I chill 99.9% of my time. So right here we do have my pride and joy, our frames of places we've traveled to. Up here we had our trip to Paris. This was our trip to Seattle. Right down here, what I was trying to do was trying to have like all the Disneys of the world, because we're a Disney couple.
Yes. All we need is Disney China, but right now with the quarantine, right?
It's not gonna happen. But so I was trying to get that done, but instead I ended up putting that one's the Disneyland in Cali. This one is Venice, and well, that's just Venice Point up here. This is in San Miguel de Allende. I really loved it. Their cathedral is like really beautiful. That picture there is from our trip to Thailand. This picture here is from Tokyo Disney, and then this one is from Disney Paris. So I kind of did like a little mixture of, you know, some of my favorite trips that we've had. I wasn't able to put them all up there, but Christian would have killed me if I would have put more holes in the wall. So yeah, no. So that didn't happen. So yeah, so this basically concludes our.
No, wait, you're forgetting something. What? You're forgetting my little like guy section.
Oh, take over.
So we have a fireplace. We used it maybe like once or twice. That's about it though. And I also have right here my little like drink section. I'm not much of a drinker. I'm currently going through a cleanse, but it's still here for when I have friends over, which is rare because Kari's antisocial.
What?
But it's still here. Not much. Like I said, I'm not much of a drinker, but it's
your little bar area.
Yeah. I have my games, my PS4, my Nintendo Switch.
And that's it for this. I had totally forgot about this because we never even use it. So like I literally like forgot we even had it. So that basically concludes the living room. So we're gonna move on to our kitchen.
Oh, by the way, we got this beautiful plant right here.
It's fake.
Kari's out here overspending, so you know, like I gotta make sure to keep this in the video.
It is a fake ass plant, but I love it. I love the aesthetic of it.
The little details that complete the section. What about our clock?
Oh yeah, I love my clock. I wish I had a bigger clock than this, but to be honest, this one will do for now. So yeah, that basically concludes. Oh, and our balcony, but I'm not gonna show that because Christian has all his tililichas there. All his tililichas. So we're gonna move on to our living room. Kitchen. We're moving on to our kitchen.
So this table is a gift from my mom and my aunt. Thank you. Shout out to you guys.
The real MVPs. It is our first apartment, so obviously, you know, first moving in, you don't necessarily have all the furniture that you need. So they came through with our table. This runner is one of my favorite details from my kitchen because I actually bargained my heart out for this runner,
which is on a video,
which is on my vlogs in Thailand, in Bangkok, in the floating market. I actually bargained my little heart out to get this runner for my table. So yeah, so this is one of my favorite pieces of my kitchen, my runner. And not a lot of people know that, but the runner's from Thailand. So we move over here and we have, so I have a story behind my fridge. Do you want to say it?
I'm sorry guys, but when it comes to like, which I mean now that I think about it, I shouldn't be like that kind of like, what's the word for it?
He's just very like, you know, cautious on not overspending, or not even, I'm the one that's cautious of not overspending. Anyway, that's a whole nother topic. But the story behind this fridge is when we originally bought it, we went to Best Buy and Christian wanted to start off with just like an little like, you know, basic fridge. The fridge that you wanted was originally like I don't know, no more than like $1,200.
It wasn't that much. It was like 700.
And I initially told him, like, you know what, like this is basically gonna be an investment for whenever we get to move out of this place. And we actually let the lady, if I find the clip, I will put it in, I'll insert it right here. Heads, I get the fridge I want. Tails, we get the fridge he said. Ready? And whichever side of the penny it landed on is whose side we were gonna get. So I wanted this fridge.
And I wanted a $700.
And he wanted the other one, but the coin flip landed on me, so I got away with what I wanted. So yeah, so this is my fridge. And there's not much to say here. We have my son Flounder,
which was a gift to Korea.
Which was a gift. He's about to turn 1. I'm not sure how like old they turn fish years. I don't know how that works, but he is about to turn 1 in April. We're currently in January, March. We're in March. And my friend Alicia actually gave him, and Jonathan gave him to me for my birthday gift. And we got the Ninja, and we got, you know, Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like, Platinum Pop on Amazon Music.
Okay, that's not what I was going for, but Alexa, stop playing. She listens. And right here we got my, you know, my section where I'll be, you know, cooking it up. You know, we got rice, we got sugar, and we got beans. Because beans, you always gotta have beans in a Mexican household. Anywho, so right here we have the door that's gonna lead us back to the entryway. Back. So follow me. So we are now on the other side of the kitchen, but we're gonna continue. We're gonna continue through the hallway that leads to our bedrooms. So one little quick FYI.
You guys would like please do the favor and take off your shoes.
Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house.
This is a no shoe house. Yeah. So that explains why we are both in socks. I don't like wearing shoes in the carpet because I think it's disgusting. The carpet gets nasty, and we just don't wear shoes in the house. So this way.
Not just that though, but also we moved in to give us a fresh carpet.
Yeah.
So we kind of want to keep it like that.
So we do have our shoes here. Obviously, nothing crazy, just shoes. This is our first closet, which we're not gonna show because Christian has a mess in there.
Just jackets.
So just jackets and like a whole bunch of other desmadres. So this is the main like hallway, or the only hallway basically of the house. And right here we have our first bathroom. It is a full bathroom. It does have its shower and stuff. So I mean, there's nothing crazy. It's just a regular bathroom. As you see here, we have the showers on this side. We have storage space here. Nothing crazy, you know. I mainly use this for guests because I've personally never showered here, like ever in the year and a half that we have living here. I've never showered here.
I have.
Hi. He has, but I have not. This is more storage space. Good on storage space. And then we enter where the magic happens.
For her.
For me. For me. So this is my beauty room slash, I don't even know what to call it, but I do freelance from home. So this is normally where the magic goes down. And as you see here, this is my vanity. I actually, quick details about it, I actually made it myself. I mean, everything I put together, and I've had like, how many years do I have with it already?
Well, this vanity actually traveled with you from your mom's house to when we lived in my mom's house to
here now. So I've had a couple, I have more than like 5 years. 5 years, huh?
Yeah.
Like a cool 5. I have like a cool 5 years with my vanity already. So that basically concludes my beauty room.
You also have another desk right here.
I do have a desk. So normally whenever you guys see any type of tutorial, Instagram, IGTV, I normally film from my desk here, and I have the light. Obviously I have natural lighting, which to me is like the best. I prefer natural lighting over like obviously my vanity lighting because
it's a nice view too. Our neighbors have a lot of palm trees.
I know. I love the fact that my neighbors have a lot of palm trees. But yeah, so we're gonna move on to the next room. So follow us to my bedroom. where the magic happens for Christian.
No magic, bro. No magic.
So this is my bedroom. I do have a Cal King bed here, and it still gives me like wiggle room for like whatever else.
I didn't really realize how expensive bedding was until I started in with Homegirl. It's like a setup like
Now
this,
I'm Homegirl.
as simple as it looks. That shit was expensive. We had Cali moving, like we went to Macy's for the actual bedding, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the pillows were from where? From
Also from
no, they were Macy's. They were the store next to it.
JCPenney.
I want to just penny in it. It was like a one of those stores that had nothing but like pillows and stuff.
Bed Bath and Body Works.
There you go. That's where we got.
Bed Bath and Beyond. Bed Bath and Beyond. Bed Bath and Beyond. Why the hell are my stores mixed up right now? So one little background is he used to be a person of one pillow. I was a person of many pillows. I love me a good decorative setup.
And for you guys to know, none of these pillows actually get used.
No.
Not this, not this, not this, not this, not
None
this.
of them.
The only
We have like
pillow that gets used is the two that are back here.
and it's 2 pillows per person, 2 for him, 2 for me. And also another quick little, you know, since I'm already at it, I actually love doing my bed, and I do not lay on my bed till it's nighttime. And I take, well, he takes everything off because I don't.
Little, like,
that's how it works.
Compromise we have.
I don't like laying on my bed throughout the day. I just don't like seeing it undone. I don't like. I think it's like
Well,
it's messy.
Thing. The bedding itself does not get used.
Yeah, no, we don't sleep on the actual comforter because it gets ugly. You do not pay all that money for a godforsaken comforter to get it all messed up and raggedy. So that's like a quick little.
Not just that though, but also loses its fluff, right?
Yeah, but yeah, that's basically it on my bed situation.
And our.
Oh yeah. So this book here, it's actually one of my favorite things to have on my bed. It's our Adventure is Calling book, and we just have pictures of like our travels, you know, places we've been to. A lot of them are just like selfies, but it's like basically all like me and my mans. See, this is Seattle, but this is one of my favorite, and I always keep it on top of my bed, on top of my little. Technically, this is supposed to be a carpet, but I liked it as a throw over my bed, so I just folded it and I use it as a throw on my bed. So this way we have our master bathroom situation going on. And like obviously all our shenanigans are already out, you know, my skincare, lotion, you know, toothbrushes, our BFF right now at the moment, disinfecting wipes all day, every day. So obviously this is nothing crazy. Right here we just have our bathroom and shower, nothing crazy there. And this way we have my walk-in closet. So this is my walk-in closet. As you see here, it starts here on this side all the way here is mine, and then this is Christian's. But yeah, that's basically sums up our whole walk-in closet and our bedroom, and if anything, our whole apartment. So I hope you guys.
We haven't said square footage of our home.
Oh, the square footage of our apartment is roughly about 1,200 square feet of apartment. So for us to, it's more than enough because it's just me and him. We don't have kids besides Flounder. It's probably the only thing. That's my only dependent. But yeah, that's about it.
So that pretty much sums up our whole apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. You guys have any suggestions, anything you guys seen that you have questions on, please make sure to put it down in the comments. And that pretty much sums it up. You got anything else to say?
Nothing, you pretty much set it up. Thank you guys for joining us and seeing our first apartment.
Let's walk you guys out.
Super long or crazy. But I don't know. My walk-in closet. Please excuse it. It is messy. Obviously, I don't care. So we are now on the other side of the entryway. Serious. Fuck.